in my office. But my coordinator was kind enough to share her office with me. Therefore, I will call the docket for May the 17th, 2021. Case number 616264, State versus Sandy Fernandez. Brian De La Rosa is attorney. Sandy Fernandez, speak up. No Sandy Fernandez, marker absent. And Brian De La Rosa, attorney. He is not either, so he's absent. Set for 2 p.m. this afternoon. 617-020, Rafael Cartagena, or Cartagena. Paula Perez is attorney of record.
Good morning, Judge, and I'm actually going to be filing a motion to withdraw today.
Okay.
And Mr. Cartagena is, he should be present. He is aware of the setting and he is not in opposition of the motion.
Well, he's set for 2:00 p.m., so he might be waiting, or we might have to wait till 2. But either way, you're going to file a motion. You have not filed it yet?
No, sir. I
All
just
right.
got an email late last night around 2 a.m. So
All right.
now
Well,
I'm going to file it.
what the hell are you doing up at 2 a.m., lady?
That's
Right.
a good question.
We'll see what we're going to do. Thank
Okay.
you. 619-868, State versus Martin Aguilar. That is Raymond Martinez. Paula, are you answering for him?
I
No.
think it's Victoria, Judge, and she's muted.
Victoria who?
Cruz, Your Honor.
You're here for Raymond?
Yes, Your Honor. Good morning.
All right. How about your client, Martin Aguilar?
We spoke with him on Friday. He should be logged on.
Well, that's the word, should.
If he's
I'm-
not, then
I'm marking him absent for right now.
yes, Your Honor.
626-868, State versus Samantha Molina. Richard Langlois. Richard Langlois.
Yes, Your Honor. I am present.
Good morning, Richard. How are you today?
Well, I'm not, my client has not touched base with me yet. We're getting a hold of her.
All right. Well, for right
We
now,
have a
she's
plea.
absent. It will be a plea.
Yes, we worked out a plea 2 weeks ago.
All right. Well, for right now, she's absent. Let's see if she shows up. Thank you, sir. 627799, State versus Eloisa Jimenez, and that is Nicholas LaHood.
Morning, Your Honor. Gary Hill here for Mr. LaHood. We are present. We'd like to confer. I believe Ms. Jimenez is also on the Zoom.
Speak up, Eloisa Jimenez.
Yes, Your Honor, I'm here. Sorry, I was trying to get used to the Zoom.
We all are. All right. I'll show you present, Mr. Hilliard. You want to confer with the state?
Yes, please, Judge.
You'll be number one to confer. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
633544, State versus Sandra Harp, and Rene Munoz is attorney of record.
Yes, Judge, I'm present. I have 2 cases that for Ms. Sandra today's docket. Attorney Derek Ritchie also has 2 of her cases, which he's appointed on. I spoke with Mr. Ritchie. He's had no contact. I have also had no contact, Judge, regarding this particular client. We would ask that a warrant hold off for a judge at this point.
We'll give you, Mr. Munoz will give you 1 week to produce her. At the end of the week, if you have not, there will be a warrant issued.
Yes, Judge. And just a housekeeping matter, I spoke with Ms. We're pretty much of the same opinion that it's best for one attorney to handle all of her cases. There's less obstacles. It's easier to act.
Who do you expect that to be?
Mr. Ritchie said he would handle all of her cases if the court could appoint my cases to him, Judge.
Now, again, who is that you're talking about?
Attorney Derek Ritchie.
Barrett
No,
Ritchie.
Derek Ritchie.
Derek.
Yes, sir.
All right. Patricia will look at that.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right.
Thank you,
Thank
Judge.
you. Case 634722, State versus Francisco Perez. That's Catherine Valenzuela as attorney of record.
Yes, Your Honor. I'm present. I have been attempting to locate my client, not as, I don't think diligently, that's the word for a Monday, as
All
I
right.
should be. So I'm asking for this to be recalled for 1 week.
All right.
I'm actually present right here, Your Honor.
Well, then,
Mr. Perez, Francisco
Yes.
Perez.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Patricia, would you place Mr. Perez and Ms. Valenzuela briefly in breakout so they can chat with each other? Ms. Valenzuela, are you going to confer with the state or what are you going to do?
I would like to confer with my client and then have a 30-day reset, Your Honor.
All right. Then, as I mentioned, Patricia, place them in breakout for conferring with themselves.
Sure.
Then we'll see about the 30-day then.
Your Honor, may I do it after you finish the docket call?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Thank you.
635756, State versus Imand Woods or Imand Woods. Imand Martiz. Good morning. Good morning.
He's present.
And Donald Flannery is.
I'm present. Flannery, Your Honor. The mandate on this. Good morning. Good morning.
Well, this is a perfect call for Kelly. Everybody's echoing. Donald Flannery.
I'm here for Mr. Your Honor. This is.
And that is Amanda Hernandez.
Yes, Your Honor.
What are you going to do today?
We would like a read. This has 2 indicted felonies, so we'd like a read. Try to get those working beforehand.
Patricia, why do we have a feedback echo?
I'm not sure, Judge.
Your Honor, if I may, Mr. Woods needs to mute himself. It's coming from Amanda. There you go.
All right. All right, Ms. Hernandez, what are you going to do?
If we could have a reset, Judge, Mr. Woods has an unindicted felony, and so we'd like to work the felony before the misdemeanor.
All right. It's unindicted, 60-day reset, felony pending. Thank you. And you're excused, both of you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
640-324, State versus Kayla Wade, and that's Karen Corby's attorney.
Present, Your Honor. Kayla Wade's also present. I think we have an agreement. I don't know if we can work it out today or possibly reset for a plea.
All right. 2 weeks for plea.
Okay, sounds good.
2 weeks for plea.
Patty will send that to me.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. May me and my client be excused, please?
Do you have something else, Ms. Corby?
No, Your Honor.
Then you can both be excused.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You too. Six 640-889, State versus Jeremy Guerra, and that is Brent Coffey is attorney. Jeremy Guerra and Brent Coffey is attorney. Both are absent. 643-704, that's Janisha Thomas. Attorney is Jessica Gonzalez.
Morning, Judge.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm good. How are you, sir?
I'm well, thank you.
My client is present on the Zoom. Her name is listed as Tanisha Thomas, and she's in an orange shirt. She may be on your second screen. She was on my second screen.
Okay. You do see her, counsel?
Tanisha, can you unmute yourself and say good morning?
Good morning.
There you are. Now I see you.
Thank you, Your
Thank
Honor.
you. Ms. Gonzalez, what are your wishes this morning?
Yes, I'd like to confer with the prosecutor.
You're number 2 for conferring then. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Just
Tanisha,
hold tight.
mute yourself.
645-012 State versus Frank Fonseca.
Good morning, Your Honor.
James Milan. Mr. Fonseca, are you present?
Yes, sir.
All right. And Mr. Milan.
Judge, this is the first setting on the case, and I still haven't even reviewed the discovery with my client. So I want to get a reset so I can do that before I confer with the state.
I'll give you 30 days to do that. Get her done.
Thank you, Judge. May we be excused?
Both of you are excused, yes. Set for 1:30 p.m. Hello. Set for 1:30, 645-495, State versus Ashley Leiva, and that is Sergio Ibarra for Neil Kalfas. Sergio? Well, that's at 1:30. No problem. We'll wait and see. 648-903, State versus Nicholas Flores, and it's Ali Hakim is the attorney.
You just logged on, Judge.
Yes, sir. I'm here. This is Nicholas Flores.
All right, sir. Good morning to you.
Good morning, sir.
Have you talked to your attorney?
Yes, he was running a little behind schedule.
He's on, Judge.
Mr. Hakim.
Good morning, Judge. How are you doing?
I'm well, Mr. Hakim. How you doing?
I'm doing well. I apologize, Judge. I just signed on.
That's all right. Well, you were very, very timely. I just called your names. What do you want to do this morning?
Judge, I'm going to be just conferring with the prosecutors. I think we're pretty close on getting something done.
All right. You're number 3 for conferring. Just hold
Judge,
tight.
Judge, can my client be released? Because I think we're just going to confer today and hopefully get something set for next time.
All right, Mr. Flores.
Yes, sir.
You're excused for the rest of the day here. You go to work or do whatever you need to do.
Yes, sir. That's what I'm doing right now, sir. Working.
All right. 649-128, State versus Brittany Thorne. And that is Angela Blake is attorney of record.
Present, Judge. We'd like to reset it for a plea.
2 weeks.
Yes, Judge.
And is Ms. Thorne present?
Yes, Judge.
Speak up, Ms. Thorne. I don't see you. Ms.
She's
Thorne?
speaking, Judge. She's speaking, but I don't hear anything.
She's
She's on my
muted?
screen. No, she's not muted. I think it must be audio issues.
Oh, you mean a computer messed up?
Probably.
Surely you
Thorne.
just.
Ms. Thorne, wave. Wave.
There she
I
is.
see you. Okay. Thank you both.
Thank you, Judge.
2 weeks for plea.
Thank you.
You're both excused, at least on this matter. You have anything else, Angela? Oh, she done scooted her. 650-902, State versus Destiny Athena Barrera. An attorney
Judge.
is Melanie Lita.
I'm present and so is my client Destiny. Can you say hello?
Yes, I'm here.
And we are set today for a plea, Judge.
Today?
Correct.
Very good. We'll take you as quickly as we can. You both be at ease. Got to finish the docket. Six five four 136 State versus Daniel San Miguel, and that's Cecil Bain.
President, Your Honor, good to see you this morning.
Good to see you, Cecil. How you been?
Just fine, sir.
You got Mr. San Miguel there somewhere?
Yes, sir. I'm right here.
There you are. Thank you,
Hello.
sir.
Good morning.
Cecil, what are you doing this morning?
I would like to confer with the prosecutor about this, and I don't believe we're going to be able to resolve it today, so I would like to see if my client can be excused to return to work.
All right, Mr. San Miguel, you are excused.
And I have some questions for him. I'd like for him to call me like this afternoon.
You got that, Mr. San Miguel?
Yes, sir. I got it.
Alrighty. Very good. You're excused at this time.
He's taking care of those kiddos.
Yes, sir.
656679, State versus Virginia Muniz. No attorney noted. Virginia Muniz. Virginia Muniz, last time, absent. 658322, State versus Charles Wilson, and that is Rose Zabel.
Morning, Your Honor.
Good
I'm
morning,
present.
Rose.
My client is also present on the Zoom, Your Honor.
Can he talk to us briefly, Wilson? I see him right next to you.
Okay.
How'd you-
Your
how'd
Honor,
you- Yes.
I've been conferring with Mr. Edelman over the weekend by email. He sent me the victim's phone number yesterday, but I was at the MAG office and I was unable to contact her. So I would like a reset so that I can make contact.
How much time you need? 30 days or 2 weeks?
Let's do 30 days, Judge, so I can also talk to my client and also go over some videos.
30 days it is.
May we be-
Mr. Wilson and Ms. Zabel, or is it Judge Zabel?
Ms. Sabell's fine, Your Honor.
Okay, I'll call you Judge. All right, both of you are excused. Take care.
Thank
Be
you, Your
safe.
Honor.
You're welcome. Be safe. 659152, State versus Victor Torres Vargas, and that is Raymond Martinez. Anybody here for Raymond Martinez?
Good morning, Your Honor. Victoria Cruz here for Mr. Martinez. Mr. Vargas, we spoke with his brother yesterday, actually. So if he's not present, same thing, we're gonna find him this morning. I understand if Your Honor marks him absent until we can produce him.
You'll have 1 week.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Meantime, you're excused unless you got something else.
I'm waiting for Mr. Aguilar. My office is in contact with him.
I'm
He's
here.
just having difficulties.
I'm here.
Oh, excellent. Mr. Aguilar,
right.
to log on. Your
I'm
Honor.
here. I'm
His
here,
name-
sir.
His name is iPhone.
He's at
All
work.
right. 659172, State versus Esmeralda Bugarin, and that's Sonny Middleton is attorney.
Yes, sir, I'm here. My attorney said she was gonna run a little late.
That's right, Judge. He's at the 437th.
All right. And how do you pronounce your name, ma'am?
Esmeralda Bugarin.
Bugarin, okay.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. So just hang tight until your attorney gets here.
Alrighty.
659-198, State versus John Arthur Diaz, and it's Jonathan Ross's attorney. John Arthur Diaz, Jonathan Ross attorney. Neither one is present. Both are noted absent. 659-217, State versus Genesis Baldera, and that is no attorney of record. The application for court appointed is denied.
I'm here, Your Honor, and my lawyer is supposed to be Efron Torres.
Efrain Torres.
Yes, sir.
All right, Efrain Torres, are you present? Efrain Torres is absent, so noted, but you're present. Stick around and see if he shows up, ma'am.
Okay.
659-235, State versus Rachel Ruby Locke,
Good morning, Your Honor.
and that is Flavio Hernandez.
Good morning, Judge.
How are you?
Good, Judge. I don't know if my client is present this morning. I have not.
She's in the
Hello.
courtroom.
Okay, in court. Very good.
I would like to confer with my client and with the state this morning, Judge.
But when we get through, Patricia, we'll put you in the breakout with your client. You'll have time because you'll be number 5 on the conferring list with the state.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Case 659-282, State versus DeAndre Cunningham, and that is Bob Hicks's attorney. DeAndre Cunningham. DeAndre Cunningham is absent.
Your Honor, and he has active warrants.
Right, I noticed that. Either that or they're being vulgar. Bob Hicks is attorney and he is absent also. Now we have some add-ons. 515-282, Reynaldo Talamantes. And that is Jimenez. Eduardo Jimenez is the attorney.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm present, Your Honor.
Jimenez or Talamantes, which one?
Talamantes.
Okay, you are present.
Yes,
And
sir.
your attorney is not, at this point, he is absent. Stick
Yeah,
around. Let's see if he shows up. Or did he tell you anything?
I just emailed him. I'm just waiting for a response back.
All right, just relax then.
Yes, sir.
644-373, State versus Alex Rodriguez. I thought he was in spring training, but we'll
Your
see.
Honor,
Yes, ma'am.
I have Eduardo Jimenez, attorney, logging in now.
Ah, very good. And that Kelly is attorney for Mr. Alex Rodriguez. Alex Rodriguez is absent, and so is Kelly. Set for 245-651174, State versus Luis Alfredo Garza. And John Fox is attorney of record, so that'll be for 2:15 this afternoon. 656-735, I think. State versus Gary Quinton Still, and that's Lino Carriero.
Good morning, Your Honor. Present.
You're
Good
Mr.
morning,
Still?
Judge. Counsel is here also.
It's Lena, Judge.
Lena.
Yes, sir. Lena, not Lino, sir.
I'm sorry. I apologize for
And
that.
my phone is at 10%. What do I do if it turns off on me?
Well, you better find 90% real quick.
But Judge,
just stick around, and if you have to stay in.
I got a quick question for you, Your Honor.
I may have a quick answer.
I got last night or yesterday. I filed for a non-prosecution. Last night we did, and I don't know if y'all got it yet, but she put her ID down and everything, and she didn't want to press charges or nothing. And she wrote a big old letter.
All right. Well, just stick around a little bit, and if you lose power, then stay in touch with your attorney by phone.
Yes, sir. I'm gonna try to find a charger right now.
All right.
Judge would like to confer with state, please. Our understanding is that when they get the letter of non-prosecution, they will dismiss the case against my client. So
well, let's see what happens. Just hold tight.
Did you put her as number 6? Number 6 for confirm?
I have listed as number 6 for conferring. And then we have set for 2:30, which jumps out in front of 2:45, 559-857, State versus Terry Sledge. And it is a compliance hearing. So that'll be at 2:30. All right, that's the docket.
Judge,
Number
may I have
number
more,
one,
Judge?
just hold on a second.